So my name is Amy Westerman. I'm a wife. I'm a mother of 2 little girls, Erin and Sienna, and I also run my own business with my husband. What inspired me to start the Grace Factory is once my daughter Erin Grace was born in June 2012, I realized that being a mother is a wonderful blessing, honor and privilege, but it's also something that's quite a hard challenge to go through. And I also realized that there was so much that I had, and I was so blessed with so many clothes and blankets and toiletries and nappies, and how quickly children outgrow their clothes. And I just wanted to start a small initiative where I could give back to the community and give some of my daughter's old clothes and blankets to people who needed them most. And that's basically how I started. I believe the work that the Grace Factory is doing really provides hope to new mothers, because having a baby in a government hospital in South Africa is sometimes challenging, considering our high unemployment rate in South Africa. And what we as the Grace Factory aim to do is just to bring hope to new moms by showing them that somebody cares about them, and that somebody went and took the time and effort to make these special packs that include clothes, blankets, toiletries, maternity pads, and just that there are so many people out there that care about these vulnerable moms. And we just hope to make a difference, even if we just help one mom who might have felt in despair or hopeless. Even if we could just help one mom every time we go to the hospital, it's more than worth it. So we've been going for the last 6 years as the Grace Factory. In March was our sixth year, and I'm always astonished how well received we've been at the hospitals when we hand out maternity packs, but also how many tiny little babies get abandoned in South Africa. And we've been to hospitals many times where an abandoned baby literally has nothing, you know, and our packs just bring hope to that little baby, and we're able to give that baby an outfit and a blanket and a beanie, and just be a ray of sunshine for that baby who has been abandoned. So that's happened many times in the 6 years that I've been doing this. Another example of amazing impact that I feel that we're making is there are sometimes moms who are expecting twins, but they only thought they were expecting one baby. So just to give them 2 maternity packs, you know, having given birth and then having twins, but you only expected one child, I think we do provide hope to the hopeless. So the way I find time to juggle being a mom and owning my own business and being the founder of the Grace Factory is I have an amazing support system behind me. It's not just me that's behind the Grace Factory, it was me that had the idea and that started the initiative. But I have an incredible team behind me, 3 wonderful ladies that help me run the 3 different branches. We have a branch in Gauteng, we have a branch in the Vaal Triangle, and we have what we call a depot in Cape Town. And these ladies give of their time and volunteer on a full-time basis just to help those in need. So I have a wonderful team behind me. I also have a wonderful husband who helps me with the children and our business. My husband and I have our own business together. So I have a really good support system standing behind me. I couldn't do any of this without the people that are standing behind me. So, the way I think my CA/SA qualification has helped me in getting the Grace Factory to where it is today is one of my core beliefs, and one of being a CA/SA's core beliefs is integrity and ethical values. And I feel that in the society that we live in nowadays, where you hear so much about corruption and crime and all those bad things, integrity is still something that I firmly believe in. There's a right and there's a wrong. And just being an MPO that has got ethical morals and values as one of our core beliefs, has also made us has also made people know that yes, we'll put our time and our money behind the Grace Factory, and we know that it's going to go to the right place, and we can know that we can entrust our time and our money with the Grace Factory, and it will go into the right hands. So I think being ethical and running a charity with integrity and ethics as your highest value is extremely important. The way other people can make a difference for the Grace Factory and in turn for new moms and babies in need, our biggest need right now is a financial need, and we have like 3 full-time volunteers that don't get paid. They just do what they do on a volunteering basis, and we always find that funding is really something that we need, but it's something that we don't always receive because we do all fundraising ourselves. And secondly, we need people's time. We need people to help us with packing days. We need people to help us with delivering maternity packs to hospitals. So I would say financial first, and secondly, volunteering time. To be a good leader for me is always doing the right thing. I've had a lot of challenges in business over the years, and I think there is definitely a right and a wrong way to do things. And just even if the right way is the harder way, I always believe that doing the right thing will get you much further in life and will show and prove that you're a leader than to do the easy thing that might have been the wrong thing. The way people can get involved with the Grace Factory is firstly on a monetary basis. We always need financial support because we have 3 full-time volunteers that give of their time with no monetary donations being given to them. And secondly, we always need people to give of their time. We need time to make maternity packs, to put packs together, to deliver maternity packs to government hospitals, and those are the 2 ways that people can get involved with the Grace Factory. We also have a website, thegracefactory.co.za. We have got a Facebook page, The Grace Factory, and you can get hold of us on those platforms. That is on the website. We have email addresses for each of the branches and the telephone numbers of the branch managers.